Narito ang mensahe ng Department of Education Secretary Sonny Angara sa naganap na National Teachers Month celebration na kick-off ceremony doon sa Candon City sa Ilocos Sur. Pakinggan ho natin ang DepEd Secretary sa kanyang mga good news para sa mga kaguruan.
Hello po, binabati po kayo lahat ng Happy Teachers Month sa ating panauhin ngayon. Of course, our beloved teachers and to our hosts from Ilocos Sur and Candon City, our friend, Deputy Speaker Christine Singson Mihan, to Mayor Eric Singson, Governor Jerry Singson, Board Member Erickson Singson, and to Mayor Singson, Vice Mayor Singson, all the teachers present from Region 1, our Metrobank outstanding teachers, sa inyong lahat, mga minamahal nating teacher, members of the DepEd family, pasensya na po, hindi na po tayo nakalipad kaninang umaga, kaya we are sending this recorded message as we celebrate Teachers Month with you. At the outset, let me express my gratitude to all our teachers. Siyempre, sila ang magiging at nagiging pundasyon ng ating bayan. You are the foundation of our nation. And no progress is possible without our teachers. So thank you for all your service and commitment. Marami tayong magandang balita, mga teacher. First of all, we are releasing the salary differential under the salary standardization law, which our President has announced. So may benepisyo po sa ating mga guro. Of course, alam nyo na po yung teaching allowance natin. Mas mataas na po at tax-free. Wala na pong buwis this year. And alam nyo na rin po yung expanded career progression. Yung kumuha po tayo ng additional positions for teachers 4, 5, and 6 at administrative items din po. Yan po ay dahil lang sa instruction po ng ating mahal na Pangulo na alagaan po natin ang ating mga teachers. Salamat po sa ating Pangulo sa kanyang suporta dito sa atin. Salamat din po sa ating mahal na Pangulo sa in-announce niyang medical allowance ng 7,000 for all our teachers. Mas maganda siguro i-pool natin ito at ilagay sa isang maglagay tayo ng health plan sa ating mga teachers. Suggestion lang po. Yung special hardship allowance po, yung hardship index ay binaba na po natin from 0.37 to 0.33 para mas maraming maka-avail po nitong mga benepisyo. I-release na rin po yung performance-based bonus for 2023 and 2024. And we are also preparing a flexibility for the implementation of the matatag schedule for our teachers depending on the conditions in their schools. So, mas i-relax po ito at makakapahinga po ang ating mga teachers. Umpisa lang po ito. Siyempre, marami pong instruction ng ating Pangulo sa atin na pagandahin ang ating mga paaralan, bigyan ng computers at makabagong teknolohiya ang ating mga estudyante. At tayo naman ho ay magtatrabaho tayo para sa kabutihan ng ating mga bata. Asahan niyo po ang suporta ng inyong secretary, ang inyong department at nakikinig po kami sa inyo. Nakarating po sa amin ang mga hinaing ninyo and in the coming days, months and years, we will be addressing some of these problems. So maraming salamat muli. At kahit maulan, we are with you in spirit and we hope you are in a good place there. At salamat ulit sa hospitality ng ating hosts from Ilocos Sur. I heard you have a new, very nice convention center, a new hotel. So that's good. That's good for Philippine tourism. That's good for the economy of Ilocos Sur, Candon, and Region 1. So mabuhay po kayong lahat. I'll be seeing you in the succeeding celebrations. Umpisa lang po itong launch natin ng Teachers Month. And of course, thank you to Metrobank and our other partners, those who initiated and have continually supported Teachers Month. Maraming salamat. God bless po. Happy Teachers Month.
Okay, so siguro naman with the new DepEd Secretary, damang-dama ng ating mga kagruan ang pagmamahal ng pamahalaan para sa kanila. Sa nasabi na ni Secretary Sonny Angara, na-release na yung salary differential at saka yung hindi pa nakatanggap. It's within the month of September. Yung teaching allowance daw is tax-free and next school year, it will be 10,000 pesos. Buong-buo yan. Then, the expanded career progression, magkakaroon na ng new teaching positions from teacher 4 to 7. Then, magkakaroon din ng kanilang medical allowance, that's 7,000 pesos. Then, also the special hardship allowance. Then, ready na daw din yung ready na ang PBB 2023 to 2024. Then, yung flexibility hours na pinag-aralan pa nila. At saka, yung nasabi niya na computers. Kasi 21st century na ho. Alright, so with all that good news, Happy Teachers Month sa lahat ng ating mga kaguruan mula September 5 hanggang October 5. Happy World Teachers Day. Magandang araw sa lahat.